Hi everyone! So recently I bought this Sound Blaster CT3900 card and decided to make a quick video about testing it. I got it online without any guarantee that it would work, but the price was so decent that I decided to give it a shot. As you can see, the card is quite dirty and greasy to the touch, so I need to clean it out thoroughly first. It's time for water, dishwashing soap and some good scrubbing. Now some IPA to remove the rest of the residue and to speed up the drying process. I gave the IPA a couple of minutes to evaporate and this is the result. I think it's quite good. Now it's time to have a closer look at the card state. First, the SIM slots. As you can see, they are broken off, as usual. They need to be replaced, but as for now I don't have a proper donor card. Half a megabyte of onboard memory is all what we got for now. Another thing, the card is slightly bent, but as you can see, the solder joints still hold on. One last thing, those capacitors look suspicious, but we will see about that. Or here. Okay, I think it's time to fire it up. Although I hope not literally. Beautiful, I think we are ready to go. So far so good, card gets detected by the Unisound. CT3900 is not a plug-and-play card, so we have to use the diagnostic utility provided by the Creative. Only the I/O ports are set by the jumpers. All other things has to be set by the provided utilities. Okay, time for some tests.
8-bit testing.
Good.
16-bit testing.
Also good. Silence, not good. Oh, a distorted music, very not good. I've tried changing some resources and BIOS settings offline, but to no avail. Result was still the same. At this point I was about firing up my oscilloscope and starting poking around the EMU chip. However, before risking ending up in smoke, I decided on one more thing to try. Good old testing in another machine.
16-bit testing.
I didn't expect much, but then... Wow, it just worked. Very good news. Okay, let's install some drivers. Now it's time for some real-world scenario. That is exactly what I wanted to hear. Yeah, something went wrong with the explosion at the beginning. However, I wouldn't blame a sound card for that. So why wasn't it working in the first machine? Well, the PC chip's M726 is notorious for its problem with DMA channels and general compatibility issues. Still, I like it that way. It's also part of the history. I didn't manage to get it work with this Sound Blaster, but during the montage I noticed some small interesting detail. As you can see on the split screen, the diagnostic tool totally omits the memory testing on the PC chips. Maybe it's some kind of hint about what is going on. If you have an idea how to make it work, leave me a comment. Nevertheless, the card is proven to be fully functional, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.